I'm Dr. M. Kavitha, Assistant Professor, Department of BCA, Bishop College, Trichy. Now I discuss about the topic types of linked list in data structure. Presentation outline of this topic. So, introduction, types of linked list. In this types of linked list that contains singly linked list, doubly linked list, circular linked list, doubly circular linked list, summary and conclusion. In this topic, first we know about what is a linked list. Linked list is a linear data structure that contains a series of connected nodes. A linked list can be defined as the nodes that are randomly stored in the memory. A node in the linked list contains two parts. First one is the data part and the second one is the address part. The last node of the list contains a pointer to the null because it doesn't point to any node. Linked list is the second most used data structure. In a linked list, every link contains a connection to another link. A linked list can be represented as the connection of nodes in which each node points to the next node of the list. This representation, every node that contains two parts. First one is the data part, the second one is the address part. The address part that contains the address of the next node that links the next node. So the last node that contains the address null value because it doesn't point to any node. Types of linked list. The following are the types of linked list: singly linked list, doubly linked list, circular linked list, doubly circular linked list. First one is the singly linked list. In this linked list, it is most commonly used linked list in programs. If we are talking about the linked list, it means it is a singly linked list. The singly linked list is a data structure that contains two parts. One is the data part, the other one is the address part, which contains the address of the next or the successor node. The address part in a node is also known as a pointer. Suppose we have three nodes and the addresses of these three nodes are 100, 200 and 300 respectively. In this singly linked list, the first node that contains the address 200 that links to the second node. The second node that contains the address 300 that links to the last node. The last node that contains the address null because it doesn't point to any node. The initial node that contains the address 100 that is a head pointer. That is known as a head pointer. The linked list which is shown in the above diagram is known as a singly linked list as it contains only one link. In this list, only forward traversal is possible. We cannot traverse in the backward direction as it has only one link in the list. The representation of the node in a singly linked list. We have defined a user-defined data structure named a node that containing two members. First one is the data of integer type. The second one is the pointer of the node next node type. Doubly linked list. As the name suggests, the doubly linked list contains two pointers. We can define the doubly linked list as a linear data structure with three parts. One is the data part, the other two address part. In other words, a doubly linked list is a list that has three parts in a single node. Includes one data part, a pointer to its previous node, a pointer to the next node. Doubly linked list. Suppose we have three nodes. The address of these three nodes are 100, 200 and 300 respectively. In this representation, every node that contains two address parts. One address part that contains the address of this node, the other address part that contains the address of the previous node. In this representation, the first node, initial node that contains the address part that contains the address value null because it doesn't point to any node. It provides the address of the previous node. Representation of the doubly linked list is we have user defined structure node which contains three data members. One is the data of integer type, the other one is the pointers of the next and previous node type. The next pointer variable holds the address of the next node. The previous pointer variable holds the address of the previous node. The type of both the pointers, next and previous, is struct node. As both the pointers are storing the address of the node of the struct node type. Circular linked list. Circular linked list is a variation of a singly linked list. The only difference between the singly linked list and the circular linked list is the last node does not point to any node in a singly linked list. So its link part contains a null value. On the other hand, the circular linked list is a list in which the last node connects to the first node. So the link part of the last node holds the address of the first node. So the circular linked list has no starting and the ending node. In a circular linked list, we can traverse in any direction, either backward or forward direction. The representation of the circular linked list is shown below. We have defined user-defined structure node that contains two members. One is the data of integer type. The next one is the pointer to the next node type. In a circle, it is a sequence of elements in which each node has a link to the next node, and the last node is having a link to the first node. Every node that contains the address that links to the next node. In this representation, first node that contains the address 200 that links to the next second node. Second node that contains the address 300 that links to the last node. Last node that contains the address 100 that links to the first node. And also it creates a circle. The doubly circular linked list has the features of both the circular linked list and doubly linked list. In this, every node that contains the three parts. One is the data part, the other two are address of the previous and the address of the next node. In this, the last node that connects to the first node is also connects to the last node. It creates a double circles. The main difference between the doubly linked list and doubly circular linked list is that the doubly circular linked list does not contain the null value in the previous field of the node. So the doubly circular linked list contains three parts, two address parts and one data part. So its representation is similar to the doubly linked list. So a summary of this topic, a singly linked list is a special type of linked list in which each node has a only link that points to the next node in the linked list. In this list, only forward direction is possible. We cannot traverse in the backward direction as it has only one link in the list. A doubly linked list is a linked data structure that consists of a set of sequentially linked records called nodes. Each node contains three fields, two link fields and one data field. A circular linked list is a sequence of elements in which each node has a link to the next node and the last node is having a link to the first node. This connects to the first node with the last node, resulting in a circle of interconnected node. There is no null at the end. A doubly circular linked list in which the last node is attached to the first node, thus creates a circle. Its doubly linked list is also because each node holds the address of the previous node also. The main difference between the doubly linked list and doubly circular linked list is that the doubly circular linked list does not contain the null value in the previous field of the node. The conclusion of this topic is programmers choose linked lists because of their adaptability and simplicity and because of their dynamic character, which enables them to change to accommodate new situations. Multiple varieties suit various demands ranging from singly linked list to circular and doubly linked list. Thank you.